How these inserts work is this is the screen bottom board. It sits underneath the whole hive and it allows ventilation through this screen up into the hive, and in the summertime it gives them good ventilation, but in wintertime I'll come through and put these inserts in and slide them to help seal the hive off. And it's not airtight, but it just helps the colony to better regulate their temperature and their airflows. And sometimes they're a pain to slide in. But I also put them in when I'm doing oxalic acid treatments so that the vapors stay in the hive. And like I say, it cuts down on the airflow so that over the winter the bees can regulate how much airflow they want coming in and out. So there's not much insulation value, but it's more of a ventilation control method for me during the winter. And these new ones, we'll see how well the mice like them or not. The old ones are coroplast, and the mice have kept eating them up, chewing them, but then they get to that screen and they can't make their way through.